G'day folks, and welcome back to Metal Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop, and a big warm welcome to all of our new subscribers. Thanks for jumping on board. Today we've got another unboxing of another parcel from the UK. They're taking a bit of time getting there, unfortunately, but that's to be expected. It's to be expected. But, we've got some little beauties in here today to share with you guys here that have been, I think a lot of us have been picking and buying on the net, been getting bored and whatever else, nothing much happening or going on sort of thing. So we've got some nice little ones here to share with you today. We've got a Yatming, that's him. See if you should be able to read that there now. Yatming is stock car, so yeah, very rare. Hong Kong, of course. This is if Find My GM. I've got a couple of those there. I've got one over there. I've got it in bare metal. This one here's got red glass. The other one's got green glass. I'd love to find one with a tinted glass or a clear glass. Would be good, or a light blue or a light green glass. There, that's a cool little machine. Little one there. This one's here's a Lancia Stratos Jet Car by Knievel. It's a 143 scale, this one is though. But he's a little pearler. I don't collect a lot of 143s, but I get a few of them, and then when I see these sorts of ones here come up, it's just missing the rally lights off the front, but I do have another one that has the rally lights that's busted, which will soon put that back into perspective again. Looks fairly cool. Alright, we get going here because I don't want to make these videos too long. I hope everyone's been going alright and staying safe here. Excuse me, doing well. Okay, here we go, little old Husky made in England. Husky made in England. That one has got a wheel missing. I didn't realise it had a wheel missing, but I don't remember buying that, so that's no doubt it's a freebie one that he's throwing in for me. You've seen another one of these the other day. They had a red one. I've got quite a few of these there now, so I've just about got them, all the ones there now that were available. And this has just got a brutish. Remember, this is a little Husky Jeep. It's in pretty good shape except for the screen frame, which can be easily fixed up. The driver's still there and all that sort of stuff, so that's amazing. Tow hitch is alright, yep, all good. Steel top and bottom, and rubber tyres. Cool little Jeep. Turn around that way there so you can see what's going on. There we go. Some of these are fairly wild. Look at some trucks in here coming out. And other bits and pieces there. Got a tutorial that I'm doing that I'll get together for you guys. Right there, building alloy wheels. Real cool custom alloy wheels. Here's another Jeep. This is Majorette. No, it's not, it's a Siku. Another Jeep. It's in pretty good shape. Really good shape, except for the paint's a little bit chipped, but that's understandable. It's metal top and bottom. But toes all good. Nice nick, made in West Germany. Yeah, so nice little, another little Jeep to add to the Jeep. This one was obviously a freebie. What have we got here? I'll have to go here to read it. I hate this red and red. This red and red's really hard to read. Buick Lesabre, there it is. Stock car. Got a wheel missing, but he's throwing that in for us. He's throwing that in for me. It's in pretty good shape, bar the wheel that's missing. Anyway, that'll be something that'll get played with, sorted out later. Another Majorette truck made in France. Little steel shell tanker. Needs restoring, of course, but this is the old vintage stuff. But the tank's in really good nick. Decals are alright. I'll leave them alone. I won't even touch them. I'll just clean up the tank and I'll just repaint it white. A very easy resto, which will be cool in it. Tow hooks and good. Glass is not broken. So yeah, nice little truck. Little Dale Earnhardt Junior truck by Greenlight. You would have seen these around, no doubt. Plenty heaps of them in the US. You don't get this sort of stuff in Australia unless you go to one of those super duper big die-cast shops, and then you pay a fortune for them. So yeah, he's in pretty good shape. Yeah. A few more packages. And the few more goodies that always happen to find online, you know what I mean. Here's an oldie, here's another oldie here. The Porsche Matchbox, steel top and bottom, super fast. Doors open and closed, in really good nick. Nice little machine, upside down. There we go, you can read that there, it's beautiful. Yeah, he's in really good shape. Yes. Oh, look out then, I wanted to do a swing screen in the Jeep, broken. Keep driving like that, you break all sorts of things. Yeah. Right, get up onto there. Yeah, a few more out here. 57 Chevy, I always like this one here. It's also made in Hong Kong base. I like it there because the back guards are quite like ordinary, like standard size how they should be. A lot of them are starting to cut the back guards out of them too big, and I hate it because it's not original and it doesn't make them look like the original car. They're looking a bit spastic sort of a fight. But that's in really good shape there, 57. Nice nick. And then we've got a, this is a Corgi Junior, it's an AMC Pacer. I haven't got one of these, but I have now. It's in, the chrome's worn out of there, but you should soon get the chrome sorted out, we can, all the way around on it. But tow hook's in good nick, screen's not broken anywhere, just got a little bit of paint off it, it's in pretty good shape. So yeah, made in Great Britain. So yeah, nice little machine. I'll get a couple of these off there, start replacing them with a couple of freshies. And I'll get a bit more opening up here. Get it done as quick as we can. Righto, here we go. We have the Majorette in France. Chevy van. Yes. So there we go. Doors, all in good nick. Avis, rent-a-car. Chevy or Dodge? Someone will tell me. Looks Dodge now that I've had a good look at the front, but we'll soon find out. It's in pretty good shape. All the way from England. Yeah. So we put him onto there. Then we've got a no name brand. I like these here because I like hotting these ones up there. They're 280Z body. And I like the 240s and the 2. It's unbranded, but that's it's a pretty good casting shell. I've played with a few of those there now. And then we've also got BMW 328 Ci. I've got one of these as a real car, white one, which is the 325 Ci. M3 mock-up M54 engine on me. That's what I drive around in. Well, don't drive, it's in the shed at the moment, but yeah, so I'll just convert this into one of my cars that looks like one of mine, with the black wheels and the 20s and all that sort of stuff on it. So yeah, it's a bit of fun, the old BMW. And I've got some trucks somewhere along the line. Here we go. I've got this one here to build into a transporter. It's a bit bigger, it's a Ford. Pretty sure it's a Ford. They call it Transport Plateau Majorette. They don't want to say what brand it is on there, but it looks like the old square Ford cab to me. But yeah, well, anyone can correct me in that there in the comments, but yeah, that'll turn into a transporter. It's, you know, right size of the vehicles on the back, two of them. There we go, so that's what that job's for. Now the write-off coming on here. So yeah, that's one of those there. Majorette. Majorette wing. The mirrors are still even alright on it. I actually thought it was Matchbox. It's made in France though. Yeah. Alright. Don't worry. We'll get moving along. Got another truck here that I wanted to use as a body truck. And this one here is a Majorette Mercedes. Pretty sure it's a Mercedes or a DAF. Let's have a look. Yep. So this one's all steel top and bottom. So we'll rectify to clean that up, and I'll turn that into a trade truck or a car truck transporter. It also tilts the cab. So it's in all steel, well, except for that plastic plate there, but the rest of it's all steel. It's all in pretty good nick. Got another truck there to convert into a couple of transporters. And then we've got the lucky last here. I'm hiding here. I wanted this here because I've got all of all of the other Evil Knievel's bits and pieces, but I didn't have the stock car, so to speak. Now this is in pretty good shape considering how old it is. 1976 on the base. Might be able to see that there, guys. In relatively good shape considering. Okay, a bit of the corner bumper missing there. That's not hard to replace. Those bits there are alright. Yep. Windscreen's not even busted. It's amazing. So even the little body's still inside. Let's see if we can get which way we can get a. If you can see in through there. There he is inside there. So yeah, there we go, folks. All right. Well, thanks for watching. That's another pile of stuff that we bought and brought in that we'll put into our collections and do our work on. Like I was saying, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe. Take care, and we'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.